As of the middle of October 2018, Venmo, which is owned by PayPal, made a few announcements. One, they said that they were going to adjust the functionality of the website, of the ability to make payments and some things that you can do on the website directly. I don't know exactly what this is a move for. I don't know if they're just pushing more and more use to the mobile app. I don't know if something happened online on desktop availability that caused issues. They also announced that if you want to move money from your Venmo account to your bank account, it costs 25 cents to do so. Obviously, that's super cheap, doesn't cost a lot of money, but maybe it's just another revenue source for Venmo, way for them to make money. Because as you know, you can change money, transfer peer-to-peer at no cost. There's absolutely no charge to do so, even using a debit card. If you use a credit card, there's like 2.9% plus 30 cents to do so. So that's the way that Venmo would actually make money. With millions of transactions, a fraction of those being with credit cards and people moving money now from their Venmo account to their bank account, they can definitely be profitable doing that. The second thing I would say is to remind you that things that you are paying for, there's a public record of these things. So if you're telling people you're the best, or that you're getting some modern food, then just keep that in mind. I made the funny mistake to the very first time I logged into Venmo to send my wife some money for something funny, which if it wasn't my wife would probably be illegal, but I got away with it. So let me tell you this. Go over to settings. Should be in your settings. Alright, so when you get inside your settings in Venmo, you want to go to privacy. So here's the where you want to select private, or I would recommend you select private, just in my opinion, visible to sender and recipient only. By default, I believe it might be public. I know that I changed mine to private after I made that little faux pas about my wife, but anyways, we have a good laugh about it, my friends and I. But so, hey, if you want everyone on the internet to see what you're paying for on Venmo, by George, you just keep it public, okay? But if you're like me, you may want to just select the private. Even the dumb things like pizza or food, I don't need everyone knowing that I paid you for a pair of socks or some pizza, right? Who cares? So, anyways, that's how you do that in Venmo on the desktop. I don't know how you do it on the mobile version. I'm sure it's very simple, but if you want to log in on the online version, that's how you do that. So, cool. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching the video. Please, if you liked it, hit the like button. Subscribe if you'd like to get more videos like this from me. You can even hit the little bell notification icon to actually get notified every time those videos come out. And so I believe that life and business is one great adventure, and I would really love to journey that with you. So I think that we shouldn't just think outside the box, but we should completely destroy the box. So below in the description, you'll find some links, a couple of resources, a couple of free ebooks, ways to make money online, as well as how to connect with me. And I would also love for you guys to pop a comment down below. I'd really love to keep in touch with you. Take care.